Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, we are going to continue our playlist on Power BI, which is a visualization tool. And in our previous playlist, we have discussed about how to install the Power BI software, and we also saw like how to install the new features into the Power BI software. Okay, so today in this particular video we'll see like we are going to continue on the same topic, and we'll see like how to load the data set into the Power BI. So when it comes to a data set, like it can be any data set, whether it can be an Excel file or it can be a CSV file or it can be a file which is in PDF format or it can be a SQL. We can load any kind of data set into the Power BI. So that's the specialty of Power BI. Okay. And one more thing about the Power BI is like Power BI is not just a visualization tool. It's a tool where we can export the data and we can perform so many options using the Power BI. Okay. So today we'll see like how to load the data set into the Power BI. Okay. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So I have already opened the Power BI software. In case if you're not open particular software, you can just open it from your system which you have already installed on your desktop. So now what we'll see is like how to load the data set. Okay. So first option is like here we have to select get data. So once you click on get data, here you have to select more option. So here with this option you can connect your data set. With this option you can get the data set from various sources, whether it can be Excel file or it can be a CSV file or it can be SharePoint folder or PDF file or it can be any type of file. Okay, so here what I will do is like here I will just perform the operation using the simple Excel file. So we'll just click on this connect. So once I click on that, so our next step is to get the Excel file. So like where we have the Excel file, so what we'll do is like we'll try to download one of the sample data set from the online, any open source available data set, so that we can perform the operation using that particular data set. Okay, so what I will do is like just go to google.com. So here what you can do is like you can just download any kind of data set. So what I will do is like I will just try to download some of the sales data set. Just click on that first option. So here you can see supermarket sales data. So just click on that. So once we click on this particular download option, so automatically the file will be downloaded. Since I have already downloaded that particular file, so here you can see that particular supermarket sales data. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just try to get that particular data, try to load that particular data set which is in Excel work format. So here you can see supermarket sales hyphen sheet. So I will just click on this, click on open. So it's trying to fetch the information. So here you can see the data set having various columns, invoice ID, branch, city and all. So what we'll do is that we'll just click on this load option. So it's taking some time. there are pending changes in your queries that haven't been applied. So what we'll do is like we'll just click on apply changes. So it will apply the particular changes, whatever the changes are required, since we are loading the data set into the Power BI application or a Power BI desktop. So here you can see 1000 rows loaded. It means that our data set is having various columns with 1000 rows. Okay, so now our data set is already been loaded. So what we'll do is like we'll just try to use some of the, so here you can see various types of graphs in the visual gallery. So here you can see stacked column chart, stacked bar chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, 100% stacked bar chart. So here you can see 100% stacked column chart and all. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just select stacked column chart. So here you can see we have select stacked column chart. So here you can see the various columns in the data set. So what I will do is like I will just select one of the column. What I will select is I will select quantity. I will just select from x-axis, I will select quantity, and from the y-axis I will select rating. So here you can see in the x-axis you can see quantity, and the y-axis you can see sum of rating. So here you can see the various quantity and with the sum of rating. And suppose if you want to do some of the modification for this text, means like here you can click on this particular option quantity, and if you want to change the color you can also do the changes for that particular color. See here you can see the default is blue, and suppose if you select black it will be changed to black. Okay, and suppose if you want to do any changes to this particular quantity or sum of rating, like if you suppose if you want to increase the size of this particular text, you can also do that. What you can do is like you just click on this, and here you can increase the size of the font. So now what I'm doing is I'm just trying to explore the options in the Power BI, guys. Okay, in the coming videos we'll explore more on Power BI application. We'll try to perform more and more operation. Okay, and suppose here if you want to change the sum of rating, you can change it, you can increase it. Okay, so you can also change the colors, and you can also change the font size, and you can do some of the modifications for this particular tab. Okay, so in the coming videos we'll try to explore more on the basics. So we just started with basics, and we'll explore more on basics, and we'll revolve around basics of Power BI desktop application. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.